Hello everyone. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Amala Yoga. Amala Yoga is one of the most powerful yogas. When a benefic is being deposited in the house number 10, either from ascendant or from the Chandrama, moon, the Amala Yoga is being created. For the detailed study, let's proceed. I have taken a chart over here. See, I have placed the Chandrama in the house number 12 and Guru in the house number 9. If you count from Chandrama, the Jupiter or Guru Bhagavan comes in the house number 10 from Chandrama, and from Lagna it is 9. Any benefic who is deposited in the house number 10 creates Amala Yoga, either from Chandrama or either from ascendant, from Lagna. Let's have a detailed study. Proceed further. Amala Yoga is caused when a benefic planet like Venus, Mercury or Jupiter is placed in the house number 10 from the ascendant or from the moon. These are the three noble planets which bestow the positivity in the actions, promotes good deeds and practices in all spheres of life. This holds true for native born with an Amala Yoga. All their actions are guided by good moral practice. It brings them not just the abundance in career, but also earns them a good reputation and a name for themselves. This in turn brings good luck in profession and financial matters. The Dasha and the Antardasha, it means the Dasha and the Bhukti of the planet sitting in the 10th house, will be the time period when your luck would operate at the maximum level, and the effects of the 10th house would come to the force. It means the Amala Yoga will work at 100% with the power, full power at the Dasha and the Bhukti of that particular 10th planet's Dasha and Bhukti. That is the exact time, but it will work throughout the life. This is my website, and I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone who needs a consultation, they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.